Everybody knows if you want to fall in love, you go to Windsor, Ontario. But I'm so glad I did, because in going there, I found the great love of my life and my most cherished friend. Peter, if I could sit down with my 14-year-old self, take her hand and tell her how beautiful her life would become, she wouldn't even believe me. I would tell her about meeting you at law school, how I was immediately impressed by your intelligence, that you listened to CBC radio every day, and that you were funny without having to be the loudest voice in the room. I would let her know that we would become fast friends, but at that time, I didn't think it would be anything more, because I was led to believe that you couldn't expect to find everything in one person. To me, our relationship feels like that time in your early 20s when your friends are your family, but with you, I get to have that for my whole life. Whenever I hear a funny joke, I want you to hear it too. Whenever I see something beautiful, I want you to see it too. And whenever something truly wonderful happens, you're the first person I want to tell. Peter, you have given me a life I couldn't have imagined, and I'm filled with gratitude every day that all those years ago, I made the hard choice not to let something amazing pass me by. How much luckier can one be than to spend a life with their dearest friend?
Ashley, ever since the day we became best friends, and eventually when we fell in love, I've been the happiest I've ever been. I'm so lucky to have a partner who gives me so much patience, caring, and love. I've learned so much from you, from how to cook dinner, to how to be a better person. I promise you all the big things: stability, security, devotion, honesty. I promise you all the small things: a tea before bed, a back rub after a long day. I will be the gentleman you deserve to be your husband. I'm so blessed to spend the rest of my life with your beautiful soul. I'm stronger with you by my side. My life has taken on new meaning since I've started sharing every morning, day, and night with you. When I count my blessings each night, you're always at the top of my list. I will love you forever.